Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can apply for your passport if you don't have it. So this is an easy way that you can get your passport at your local USPS. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Let's get right into this video. Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. Since we are still in a pandemic, USPS only accepts passport applications via appointments. So you would have to go to usps.com/scheduler. Again, USPS is only accepting applications through appointment. So you can't fill out the application there and then hand it to somebody and they process your application. So there is a process that you have to follow. If you just have general questions about the passport, how you can get your passport, then you can go to USPS and ask them general questions. And I'm pretty sure they'll give you the application and where you can set an appointment. So there are two different fees that you will have to pay when you are applying for your passport. So there is a USPS fee, $35. The U.S. Department of State charges you $110 to process your application. Now, as far as the $35, you can easily pay that with a credit card or debit card. USPS will accept. And as far as the $110 to the U.S. Department of State, they only accept that a check or a money order. I use the check, but whichever is easier for you. The best thing to do is to already have your check filled out before you go to USPS, and your application process will be super quick. As you can see in the video, I am walking through USPS and I'm going straight toward this little desk on the side, where right to the left of that desk is the passport office, where they can take your picture for you. So right here you see that I am grabbing the yellow paper, which is for new applicants, and then the blue paper is for if you need to renew your passport application. You can also see that I grabbed the information paper, which is the white paper. It tells you all the fees and how you can pay at the post office for your passport application. So in this video, from my experience, because I just applied to get my passport, we're gonna focus on the yellow sheet. Normal processing takes 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, because of the pandemic, they are not expediting any applications unless it's an emergency. That's basically what I read off of USPS website. So I'm gonna tell you the requirements for adults. Number 1, complete application in black ink only. Do not sign until asked by the processing clerk. Provide proof of citizenship, one of the following: certified birth certificate, certified certificate of naturalization, or a certificate of citizenship. I just took my birth certificate. And another thing, if your birth certificate is laminated, you'll need a certified copy, and they'll tell you exactly where to go get that. You need proof of ID, either a state driver's license, military ID, or government ID. And your photograph. Your photograph needs to be a 1 2x2 color photo with a white background. The position of the camera should be in front of you. You also need your social security number. So I got my photo taken at the Walgreens photo area, but you can also get your photo taken at AAA or the post office. Now, the website that you'll go to check your application status will be www.travel.state.gov, or you can call them at 1-877-487-2778. Now, if you don't want to go to the post office, you can go to your local courthouse. Some courthouses accept walk-ins and some don't. You would just have to call and see what the regulations are due to, being in a pandemic right now. This is what the application will look like. You open it up that's pretty much it. It's a very simple process. To speed up your time, like I said, make sure that you pre-fill out your money order or your check. That way when they ask for it, you can just hand it to them, or you won't be standing in a line very long. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you apply for your passport. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.